Hello, and today I would like to tell you how to multiply matrices. But first, matrix is a rectangular array of numbers. When multiplying matrices, it is important to know that the first matrix times the second matrix is not equal to the second matrix times the first matrix. Matrix multiplication only works if the number of columns in the first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. And the dimension of the result should be the first matrice's row times the second matrice's column. As for this example, it would be a 2x4 matrix. 2 times 4 is 8, so that means that there are going to be 8 numbers in the answer. The first number is located in the first column and the first row. So what we need to do is to multiply the number in the first row in the first matrix with the number in the first column in the second matrix. Do the same thing for the rest of the numbers to get the answer. Here is another example of a matrix multiplication. If you find it easier to memorize the pattern of matrix multiplication, then this should help you. If you still don't understand, this question is easy compared to the previous questions. And this time I am going to show how to do it a bit slower. First, write the dimension. Check whether if the question could be solved. And the dimension of the result should be this number by that number. And that would be 1 by 1 matrix. 1 times 3 plus 2 times 4 equals to 11, meaning the answer is 11. As I had mentioned before, I am going to show you that the first matrix times the second matrix is not equal to the second matrix times the first matrix. So back to the first question, but this time we are going to switch their places. Now if we take a look at this, the question would be 3 by 4 matrix times 2 by 3 matrix. This question is invalid. For the second number, if we switch their places around, 2 is equal to 2. But as you can see, the answer is completely different. Again, for the third example, I will do it a little bit slower. Switch their places around. Write down each of their dimension to find out whether if the question is valid or not. 1 is equal to 1. The dimension of the result would be 2 by 2. The first number would be 3 times 1, then 3 times 2, 4 times 1, and finally 4 times 2. The result should be as shown in the picture. And this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I would like to deeply apologize for any pronunciation or grammar mistakes. Good luck trying, and remember to never give up. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. As there is a saying, never stop trying, never stop believing, never give up, and your day will come. As there is a saying, never stop trying, never stop believing, never give up, and your day will come.